What's going on, you guys? ZKP Outdoorsman here. Here we are, just filming birds out here today, guys. That's a prettiest bird right there. It's by the wheel right there. Aren't they pretty, guys? And welcome back to the ZKP Outdoorsman channel, guys. Thank you for joining me here. Here, I got this little bird out here, just doing its own thing, minding its own business. You know what birds do. I mean, the beautiful birds I've ever seen is blue jays and the woodpeckers. They're some of the prettiest birds out there. But like I said, the birds are hard to catch, to film too, and they have a mind of their own, and they never stay in the same place. And too, they can actually, what's fun and what's interesting is they sense your movement too. You can't even not move an inch or anything, or say not even move an inch, because if they'll just fly away. It's just what birds do. Oh, there's another one right there in front. That's another beautiful little bird right there, guys. That's pretty birds right there. Very beautiful. I tell you, these are the beautiful birds right out there. There's some that's real pretty, but these are some pretty birds out here. But I know a couple of the ugliest birds that you should never ever film is crows and vultures. They're the most vile freaking birds you can ever see. Evil too. That bird just flew away. Let's see if I can get that. Apparently that other bird just flew away, I guess. But birds are hard to catch, to film and stuff. You can see them. You can hear them a lot, especially out in the morning. But they are hard to see, and they're hard to catch, to film too. What I would suggest, guys, if you try to film birds, make sure if you're sitting somewhere and just sit really quietly and stuff, you'll probably have a very good chance of catching birds to film. For sure. Because birds are hard to catch, to film, especially. But I guess some birds are flown away officially. But yeah, there's always birds out here to film. It's just you gotta be extra quiet and make sure you're sitting somewhere before you could film them, because if you even move an inch, they're just gonna fly away, and and stuff, and they'll probably won't come back. But but most of the time you can catch birds most of the time in the morning, flying around the driveway or around just to the pole up there, the electric pole and stuff. But some you can see some pretty birds out here. Oh, there was a pretty yellow one that just passed right now, but it was too far out to see. But that's why I figured we filmed some birds out here this morning, guys, but maybe some will come out in just a minute. If not, I guess it'd probably be it for the vlog. But I'm glad last minute we try catch some birds to film, at least, because they are hard to catch when you're trying to film them. But let me see right quick, guys. I could try to catch a little bit more birds out here right quick somewhere. Like I said, birds have a mind of their own. They don't always stay in the same place, ever. There's always birds out here. Right now, I'm just looking at. Right now, it's just freaking trees right now. But I'm gonna get off here, guys. Thanks for joining me and watching this morning, guys. Last minute, trying to film some birds out here while they were still there. And I wish we could have filmed some more birds. Well, wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. Maybe we have something. Oh, there we go. Look at that, guys. That's a pretty one right there. There's a pretty bird right there. I was about going to have to get off there, but I'm glad we. Oh, there's another one, guys. Wow. And there's a third one right there. Look how beautiful they are, guys. Look how beautiful they are. Those are beautiful birds too. I know the ones we showed you a minute ago were beautiful, but those are beautiful birds. With the gray, I think I see a little bit of gray on the top and orange on the belly of them. Oh, there's another one just flew. There's some pretty birds out here, guys. Very beautiful. I didn't think I was going to see more birds today, to be honest with you. See, I'm just sitting out here and they're just right there. I'm glad I got to catch them out here. Yeah, I see some. It's just the two that's out here, and there's that one in the grass, and there's that one on the driveway right now. Some of the most beautiful birds out there. Filming right here. Very beautiful. I'm glad you guys got to see this. Especially. That one's about far out there, but I can see, at least I can see that one pretty close. Two wads right there. Wow. Wow. I'm surprised I can see it, and it's in the grass right there. Just doing its own business. Oh, there's another one right there. Wow. Look how pretty they are, guys. Well, guys, I guess we'll film them a little bit longer as long as they stay right there. Their own little habitat right there. Right there in their own habitat. Oh, there's another one right behind. There's another one right behind them. The other one that left a few seconds ago. That's all the way up there above the driveway, and then them two are right there together. Three little best friends right there, guys. Oh, there's another one. Now we got 4 birds out here, guys. Wow. We got 4 birds out here, guys. 4. Alright. At least I can see those 3 right there. Oh, there's a pretty little bird. Where's it going? Where's it going? Or if it's falling it. Oh God. there's at least, where the other one is, there it is right there. There's no doubt about 4 or 5 birds out here. I'm so glad, guys, we got to film them today. Look how pretty, look how beautiful they are. Well, that's about as far as I can go, close-wise. I mean, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, guys, if y'all wanted to see them up close, but that's about as close I can see them right there, because I didn't think I was gonna see them up close. I didn't think it was gonna come back. It's like a happy little family right there. With birds. Friends are a happy little family right there. Well, the other two are different because they're the gray birds, and these are the little black and orange birds right there. Look how beautiful they are, guys. Very beautiful. Wow. Wow. Right there in their own habitat, guys. Like I'm saying, guys, as long as they don't fly away or nothing, we'll post out here a little bit longer to film them. Right now there's about 5 birds out here, about near the grass and by my driveway right here. It's about 4 or 5 birds actually. Where did it go? Alright, it's coming back. I see 4 right here. Alright, there's that. There's one coming up closer. There's some beautiful birds out here, guys. I'm glad I got to do this with you guys. This little film birds and stuff. There's some of the beautifulest creatures out in the outdoors. Beautiful. The most beautiful creatures out in the outdoors. No question about it. Where's he going? Where's that? Where's he going? There's another one behind, right there behind him. What happened to the other birds? Alright, they're right there. They're still right there. And I think there's another bird right over there right behind them. There's some beautifulest birds, guys. No question about it. This is definitely a beautiful view of birds right here, guys. The beauty of it. Yeah, I know the other ones are right together right there, and you can see them over there. They're together. And that bird's right there by the grass. Oh, happy little family right there. Happy little friend, or happy little friends right there. I didn't think it's gonna end up filming them today, guys. I didn't think I was gonna be catching them. Oh, look at that one's right by there. See how beautiful? I mean, in their little habitat. That didn't fly along. Well, there's some little bee birds too. Like the baby birds right there was with them too. Wow. Alright. Yeah, there's a little bird right there right with. Wow. There's beautiful little birds out here, guys. Ain't they beautiful? There's some just beautiful birds out here. Wow. That's definitely a beautiful view of birds right here, guys. Very beautiful view. This is the best beauty of Mother Nature in the outdoors. More of those birds right here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. it's definitely some outdoors fun right there filming birds right here, guys. Some beautiful birds right here, guys. See that one right there? Very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. Very beautiful. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Y'all just saw it, guys. The beauty of the outdoors right here is birds right here, and you all got to see them, and I'm glad y'all did. We got to finally catch them and watch them. We got to watch them together, guys, and I thank you for joining me this morning to watch them with you guys. I had a good time here in just a few minutes filming some birds out here, and wait me a sec. I might try to. Wait me just a minute. Let's see. Let me see if I can film it. I just found that. I just saw that bird up close. Let me see if I can catch it. See if I can catch him. Nope, it flew off. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me this morning, guys. Thank you for watching this morning, guys. And no doubt, be sure to like and subscribe for more ZKP Outdoorsman videos and vlogs like these, and I'll be putting more out. And I hope y'all have a good morning, and God bless, and happy outdoors, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.